Why to use mascots? This video explain about the use of the mascot advertising. The first one is economical. In this age of expansive brand ambassadors, mascots provide a creative, sustainable, low-cost model for communicating a brand's values and personifying the company's desired image. Mascots are not as expensive as celebrities. The cost of creating these characters is low as development of normal commercials. The second one is communication channel between the consumer and the brand. Mascots serve as communication channels telling the consumer about the product and its various features. The Zuzu campaign was launched specifically to communicate to the consumer about the value-added service of Vodafone, not subject to vagaries of time. The other advantage is that as mascots are created and owned by the companies, switching loyalties, which is frequent incidents with celebrity endorsers, can be ruled out. For example, Amir Khan started in the first Pepsi commercial added in India, but today he is a brand ambassador of Coke. However, one cannot think of Amul Girl, Vodafone, Zuzu swapping the places. Brand association. Mascots are able to create for the public an association with the brand. Thus, mere visibility of mascot in ad, billboard, sponsors of event, etc. will remind the consumer about the brand. Some mascots represent the essence of the soul of the product promises. The example, the muscle man of MRF tires depicts what the brand stands for: the strength. Likability. Vodafone Zuzus are perfect example to explain how much a mascot can be liked by the public. Soon after they were aired on television, the Zuzus and the ads became really popular. The Zuzus concept immediately connected with the audience and created the emotional connect with them. In October 2010, there were 1 million Zuzus fans on the Facebook front. Scope for creative flexibility. If the mascots are animated characters, they give more scope for creative flexibility. For instance, Fido Dido of 7up has been used in a number of ways to show him going gaga over the 7up bottle. Adds value to business. Whether advertising at a global or local level, finding the right public face is critical for a company to add value to its business. Most mascots provide a fun, light-hearted way to get an organization or company noticed in festivals, paradise and sports events, school store openings, civic events, and even the media. Kids love mascots and customers easily remember them. Moreover, a mascot brings instant identity in a charming, gracious, identifiable, feel-good manner. Mascot represents the true soul and identity of the brand personality and give it form and shape that is embedded in popular imagination for the time to come. The success, however, depends on how well the fit is in terms of product promise and imaginative creation of the mascot persona. Thank you.